How to extract emails from multiple files. Visit our website www.technocomsolutions.com. Click on Search and type Email Extractor Files. Click on Product Name and visit Product page. Click on Free Trial to download software. Extract the downloaded file and install software in PC. Enter login details and click Login button. Click on Add Files or Add Files from folder to add files. Click on Start Extracting button to extract emails. Click on Save Extracted Emails to save emails. Steps to extract emails from files. Step 1. Download and install software. Step 2. Login software. Step 3. Add files. Step 4. Extract emails. Step 5. Save emails. For more details, visit our website www.technocomsolutions.com.